Want to screen mirror your iPhone to your ONN Roku TV? Here's how to wirelessly screen share using AirPlay. The first step will be connecting both your iPhone and your ONN Roku TV to the same Wi-Fi network. The second step will be going to Settings on the TV. Now go down to Apple AirPlay and HomeKit. Open it and make sure AirPlay is turned on. Now we are ready. So take your iPhone, swipe down to open the control center, tap on the screen mirroring icon, and your ONN Roku TV will appear instantly. Just tap on it, then a code will pop up on your TV, which you'll need to put in on the smartphone. Then press OK, and boom, your iPhone will start mirroring on the Roku TV. So now you can share media or play games on the big TV screen. When you're done, you can stop screen mirroring either from your iPhone or simply press the home button on the TV remote. And that's all there is to it. Hope you enjoyed. Cheers!